In orbit, science experiments continue. Despite approaching the Spring Festival. As the Spring Festival approaches, the astronauts are still busy installing the various sets of application experimental equipment brought up by the Tiangong spacecraft, including comprehensive support energy storage batteries, condensation experiment modules, and solid-liquid mesoscopic reaction devices. In order to meet the power needs of the space station, researchers have customized lithium-ion batteries featuring long life, large capacity, and high safety for the space station. Comprehensive energy storage batteries can store the electricity generated by the solar panels, powering the entire cabin. The experiment cabinet adopts a modular design. Experiment units or samples can be replaced by astronauts in orbit to support the rolling implementation of scientific research projects. The 3 astronauts took out the new experiment module. The condensation intensification experiment module was transported to the space station by Tiangong 7 cargo craft. The astronauts have been busy carrying out replacement and replenishment of various science experiment supplies. The Tiangong 7 has also brought up a solid-liquid mesoscopic reaction device. It feeds solid and liquid materials into the reactor through a screw conveyor. Updating the experiment components of the cell tissue experiment module can not only achieve automatic environment regulation inside the components, but also record daily images and experiment data of cell tissues through microscopic imaging, spectral detection, etc. Thanks for joining Space Wonders 319. If you enjoyed our space journey, hit subscribe, like, and share. Tell us what you think in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. Until our next adventure, keep exploring the wonders of space with Space Wonders.